Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. If your product comes in different sizes or colors, you do not need to create a separate product for each one. In this video, I'll show you how to add an option like size or color to a product, so your customers can pick what they want on the same page. Let's set one up. Start by signing in to your Resogra vendor account. You'll land on your vendor dashboard, where you can see everything happening in your shop. In the left menu, click Products. This opens the list of every product you sell on Resogra. Click the name of the product you want to add choices to. The Products Edit page opens, with tabs across the top for every part of your product. Click the Options tab. This is where you tell Resogra what choices your customers can pick from on this product. Type the name of your option, like size or color, in the picker box. A small Create New line appears in the drop-down, click it. A short editor opens where you list the choices customers can pick from, like small, medium, and large, then save the option. Finally, click Save at the top right of your product. Your new option is live. When a customer opens this product on Resogra, they'll see your choices and pick the one they want before adding it to their cart. And that's it, your product now has the choices your customers care about, right on its page. You can add as many options as you need, like a size option and a color option on the same product. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Resogra family.